Morning. I try to wake up before the kids, but it never happens. I always press snooze. Let's get going. We got a busy day. Say hi.
Hi.
Want to be in my video?
Yeah.
You're in every day of my life, aren't you?
Yeah.
You're a very important part of my life. Love you. Smoothie? Bad?
No.
So, here I am. My babysitter is there at my house. And I'm on my way to a business meeting, and I realized, you know what? I have to update a blog post right now before my email gets sent out. Here I am in the back seat because there's an outlet. I opened up my computer and I was like, oh, I'll just use my hotspot. Opened up my computer, it's dead. Dead. My computer's dead. Cannot use my computer to do that. Try to do it on my phone, the formatting's off. So, pulled into a parking lot. There's a little AC outlet back here in my son's back seat. I can use my hotspot and update my blog post. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna go into this building here. I'm gonna have a meeting with someone from our small business association. I just want to make sure that I'm on the right track, and that if there's anything that I'm missing that I need to do to like maintain my legitimate business, just get some advice on next steps and what he thinks about my business. So I'm gonna go in there, have a little meeting with him, and we'll see what happens. Had a good meeting. He was pleased with where I am in my business and gave some advice about marketing and bookkeeping, stuff like that. Basically just pointing me in the right directions, like different resources, and being there. So I thought that was really good. Just making some fun steps, getting some new ideas, and making progress. I have a few more hours with my babysitter before I go. I gotta pick up groceries, and then go home to my babysitter. Relieve the babysitter. What should I do? We'll find out in just a minute. Got the Appalachian Trail frappe. Pretty good. Hey, packing up my stuff. Unfortunately, I was unable to actually crochet here, but I gotta go pick up some groceries and get back to my kids. Just wanted to show you all my minivan. You guys know I used to have like a blue one, and I got in a little fender bender, but here's the one we just got, and it's nice. Now I'm off to Walmart to get my pickup order, and then off to home to relieve the babysitter and hang out with my kids for the day. Every day is different in my life. Some days are like this, where I have a babysitter. Not very many. And other days are where I'm just with my kids most of the day. Maybe I will try to film a bit of that one day. I told the babysitter that they needed to do some chores, some essential chores for the house, and some other like extra ones that I would just give my kids a little paycheck if they completed, like picking up sticks outside and cleaning the backyard. It's busy in the pickup line, so hopefully this doesn't take too long. Okay, while we wait for my groceries to come, I'm going to crochet something. Working on this pastel picnic blanket, like a springtime color blanket. I'm using paint box yarns from Lovecrafts. This is the first time I've used these yarns. This is simply Aran weight. Simply Aran, so Aran weight, like a 4 medium worsted weight yarn from Lovecrafts. I like it. It's nice. They have a lot of different colors. I'm using this gray one and then also these pastel colors in that same colorway. This will be in a crochet magazine that's coming out beginning of May, I think. This is a new project that I'm doing with one of my crochet designer friends, and you can hang out with me while I crochet. The stitch that I'm using is called, well, this is like kind of like a cluster stitch with 2 double crochets, and then I'm using a half double crochet, herringbone half double crochet, camel stitch, or in the back loop only. Not back loop, only the 3rd loop. You know, there's a 3rd loop when you do. There's a 3rd loop when you do a half double crochet. A grocery is secured. Now I am going home to relieve the babysitter. I think I got good work done today. I think I scheduled 3 newsletters. One that's gonna go out today. Every month I release like a monthly crushes newsletter, and that is just links from around the internet that I'm crushing on. A lot of them are affiliate links. A lot of them are links to like crochet patterns, like maybe my friends, my crochet designer friends, crochet blogger friends, like have some new content. I'll link to that. Just whatever I find that I think is really cool. It's not all affiliate links. And a lot of it is products that I've actually used. So the hopes is that I get a little bit of commission from that. And then also support my friends and other crocheters, which is a big aspect of my business, is like supporting the crochet world in general, small businesses and whatnot, other mompreneurs. So that was one of the newsletters that I got ready. If you're not already, you should definitely subscribe to my newsletter. I'm gonna put a link down below. So I got those scheduled. All right, I am home. Let's unload these groceries. Well, there it is in all its glory. This week's grocery order. All right, let's put it all away. Here we go. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. My family is Irish, at least my father's family. So traditionally we have corned beef and cabbage. So got that. These over here. My kids can grab fruit whenever they want. Let's grab my water bottle and head to the park. Just so you can see it, my house is this yellow one peeking here, and the park is there. There's tennis courts and there's a couple playgrounds over here. So that's where we live, so close to the park. I gotta record this because they're gonna come running to me. There's one of them. Hey!
Just playing Simon Says, and then I saw Mama, and then I said Simon Says, and then I saw you, and then I saw Mama.
Simon Says, Mama!
Yeah, hey.
Hey, dude.
Mom, I want to have a donut.
A donut? What are you talking about? Grocery donut? I don't have them with me. Hey, what are you guys doing? What are you doing? Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
And you got some?
I got some donuts.
Yeah.
I think somebody missed me. Okay, I'm watching. I'm watching.
Go. He steal this from me.
Walking back home.
I can't do that yet.
Okay, now we're home. Gonna have some of those donuts. So, we did a number on those donuts.
How much?
They're about gone. Let's go check the backyard and see if they did their chores. Well, if you did sticks and the backyard, you get $2.
Yeah, I did a stick and backyard.
Let's have a little look-see here. Oh my goodness. Where are all the balls and the toys? Did you put them away in the garage?
Yeah.
Or are they just kind of smushed in there?
Smushed in there.
Here, open it up and let's have a little look-see. Okay, those are kind of smushed in there. Just kind of throw them in. Look. See this? This is where bats and hockey things go. Or you can put all the balls in here. So let's do that real quick. Okay, these kids did some chores while I was out and they had a babysitter. So they earned some money. $2 for you.
Wait, can I get 3 because we did those? Did you tell us to like the back, that, and that?
Well, I don't know. I told you to pick up sticks, and so you get $2. Piper, you can have $1. She can put it in her savings. And here's your $1. Why do you get those dollars?
Because I have
What did you have with?
toys.
Toys?
Yeah.
No, toys where? Yeah, in the backyard. And for picking up
What?
rocks and
Yes.
sticks. Okay, ready? Bugs. Oh, you're gonna smush it with that?
Huh?
So you're gonna smush it with chalk?
How do you grab it? We're not gonna grab it. Why? Because.
Here are those garden beds I assembled. I filled them with some leaves. I put cardboard at the bottom, filled them with leaves and this old wet wood that we had. And then I'm gonna put some compost and dirt on top, compost and soil, and then do a veggie garden. All right, so here I am, just gonna crochet, watch my kids play. All right, now they're playing in the sandy mud. Well, that didn't last long. I crocheted like 10 stitches. And they're no longer playing. They're done with that, and they're all sandy. So of course now it's time for bath. So, hey sister girl, let's go take a bath. Yeah, you like a bath? Run! While I take a bath, I got a couple chores to do. Lots of little plates today. There must have been little people in the house. There he is.
Yeah, do I need to redo it? Hi, it's me, everybody.
It's Cam. It's leftover night. Let's see what we got. Chicken nuggets and tater tots. Sloppy Joes? I'm not sure how old those are. You want me to hold you?
Yeah.
You had your bath,
Yeah.
and now you need mama. Okay, come here. Oh, I love you. Say hi. Yes. Okay. Baths are done. We got jammies on. What's next? What should we do next? Should we eat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. Set it down.
Some both?
Anybody else's house run this way where the kids just eat? We just keep on adding things like Chick-fil-A sauce. The parents have yet to sit down. Is that how our house kind of functions?
Yeah.
Have we even prayed yet?
No,
No.
I haven't even made it that far.
It's hungry gremlins. Dessert. You want what?
Cinnamon. Oh, cinnamon.
Oh, and you have chocolate? Good. That'll be great. Okay, nice.
This story is about Bob, Beth, the sea, big fish, small fish, and magic.
The backpack's kind of on sideways. I don't know that book. Old Mother Hubbard. Bring me a book.
One day. he
Remember the
can
Bible?
Just...
Okay.
Oh, let's see.
What should we read? You want to pick the story? I got a different one on my lap now. What are we going to read? That's a stack of books. We're going to read all those? Nope, don't stick your nose in. Yuck. Time to brush teeth. What you doing? Brush, brush, brush. Gotta move your toothbrush. Hey! Somebody sleep crawling out
You're
here?
going the wrong way, sleepwalker. Okay, no. Yeah, go this way. Oh.
Time for bed. Bedtime complete. What you doing? Mwah. Now that the kids are in bed, time to work. Cam's back there. He does his freelance. I do my hustle. I published this blog post. I scheduled some emails. And I scheduled some content on Meta. Right. Finished with a lot of that computer work. And now I'm going to get my yarn and my project. And don't forget the hook. And I'm going to listen to something. I think first I'm going to listen to my Bible app. Do a little quiet time-ish while I crochet. My church is reading through the Bible in a year. So I'm going to see if I'm caught up on that or not. Sometimes I get a little bit behind and then I just listen to it and catch up. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. It's the end of the day. Time to brush my teeth, wash my face, go to bed.